Hi all. Today I am going to explain you a very useful feature of AppFolio, which will enable you to enter multiple Section 8 tenant receipts in a single click. This is very useful and this is time saving. Let us see how this feature works. This is a feature called subsidy receipts. Let us see. Go to accounting, then receivables. At the right side, under the task section, you can see subsidy receipts. Click on the subsidy receipts. Here, you can see a screen where you can provide the property details. Take your Section 8 statement provided by your housing authority. Select the property, search the property in the property search bar. When you select the properties here, this will show you the list of properties and the tenant list where the section 8s are applicable. You can match the amount with the section 8 statement and select the date. You can provide housing payment the reference and just click on the save button. Now the receipts are posted. In a single click, you can enter multiple tenant receipts and the receipts for the multiple tenants are already posted. It is very useful and you can try it. Thank you.